Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will help you how to fix a iPhone widescreen problem. So guys, when you have turned on your iPhone and facing this issue that only widescreen showing means your iPhone stuck on widescreen. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to force restart your iPhone. So guys, how can you do this? You need to click on here is the option of volume up button, volume down, and click and hold on power button. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am going to restart my iPhone. So guys, you need to wait. So guys, as you can see here, volume up, volume down, and click and hold on power button. And guys, you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, after some settings, Apple logo will be appear on this display. So guys, after appearing Apple logo, simply you need to release your power button after appearing logo. So guys, you can see here now Apple logo has been appeared. So simply you have to uh, release the power button, and guys, you need to wait. So guys, simply you have to wait for more seconds. So guys, as you can see now widescreen problem has been fixed on my iPhone. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.